KamPuri Biryani. Ever heard about this biryani? No, I guess. Kampur, a small place in Assam, they have their own biryani. So Northeast has their own biryani, and that is really very non-spicy, light, and easy to digest. And this is the non-veg version. So I will cook it in mitti handi, and first I need some chicken. I'll marinate the chicken with spices Beresta. You can get it in the description box. And now time to marinate it, and here I am using EVEREST Garam Masala and few tablespoon of curd. So you follow the ingredients in the description box, it will be easy for you. And now mix, give a very gentle massage and keep it for 2 hours. The chicken will be well cooked then. And now heat the ardent pot or handi and put this vegetable oil. And in this oil I will fry few veggies. Which are the veggies I will fry, that will be in the description box. And as I said, that KamPuri Biryani is very healthy, tasty, and it's colorful also. So you can see how is the color. And now the veggies are almost done. So I'm adding rest of the veggies. You know, in this biryani you can get carrot, beans, potato, and capsicum also. Green peas definitely is there. So lots of veggies are there. And after that I am adding the marinated chicken in this pot because I have to do the layering. Now mix the marinated chicken with the veggies and cover it up. So this is the easiest and quickest recipe I can say. After the aroma is there, I have to check that veggies are done or not. Yes, it is done. So I will keep some of the veggies and gravy for the layering. And it's not easy to cook in the mitti handi in the first go. So I just showed in another video how to clean the mitti handi. And now time for layering. First I will place this rice, and after that I will cover it with the rice. And now it's time to layer with the gravy I just kept aside. So the gravy, potato, and little bit of veggies. Now it's the second layer of rice. So I am using Basmati rice. You can use any kind of biryani special Basmati rice. And I'll finish it off by sprinkling some nutmeg or Jaifal powder and Pudina and dhania pata chopped and Beresta also. Cover it with the lid with full of water because we need the dum, and it will be very quickly done. I'm so sorry I forgot to mention that you need to add some clarified butter or ghee. So very quickly within 10 minutes the KamPuri Biryani is done, the chicken KamPuri Biryani. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. I will serve this biryani with simple Pudina raita. KamPuri Biryani is all set. I am going to taste it again. You see that I was enjoying a lot. So don't forget to check my Instagram page, that is Madhurima's Kitchen. And to order food you can always check Madhurima's Kitchen in Facebook or Google. Now you can see how easy it is to prepare biryani anytime at home. Do try it and let me know. And don't forget to tag me when you are preparing this biryani. And I am trying to prepare some more biryani from some other states. So stay tuned for that. Stay connected with Madhurima's Kitchen in all the social media and platforms.